Are you new to the Finso platform? Welcome. Let me show you around. Let's take a step-by-step walkthrough and see what Finso has to offer its partners and their clients. Finso allows you to migrate your business seamlessly. Easy sign up using your ARN and credentials. Mirror your organization and team structure. Seamlessly migrate historical data of clients and mutual fund transactions. Actively manage clients through CRM and begin mutual fund transactions while our bots handle the reconciliations. Creating your profile, mirroring your organization's structure, and building your brand's digital presence with Finso is a simple, straightforward process. Begin by adding essential information about yourself. PAN card details, basic personal information, billing and bank details. Sign off on the terms of agreement. And your profile is now created. The base package includes 2 user logins to access the web portal and the partner app, and 250 client app logins. You may upgrade to additional logins at the click of a button when you require. Finso's base package includes BSE Star integration and onboarding, UCC and mandate creation, portfolio performance and tax reporting, branch reporting and revenue, portfolio recommendation and scheme selection. This package offers access to products including all mutual funds, along with features like easy client onboarding through existing data or individually, capital gain reports, organizational reports specific to employees or associates, performance statements, client statements, and much more. Finso is a multi-product platform, so besides mutual funds, we would keep adding new products. At present, we are working on LRS, corporate FDs, and direct equity, allowing you to do more for your clients. Finso is currently offering a 50% early access discount on your annual subscription for the first year. Finso is a co-branded platform that lets you create your brand's digital presence, ensuring all your client communication through Finso carries your brand identity, including your brand name, your logo, and your chosen color scheme. Moreover, given the importance of social media presence, we have enabled you to add your website and social media handles to complete your digital presence. We also capture your basic communication information like contact details and correspondence address. These are updated in the client app to create a seamless communication channel with your client. With Finso, you can mirror your organization's structure and seamlessly create a flexible brand hierarchy by associating it to a specific user as a branch head and a reporting branch. You may create as many levels as you choose. Under the Users tab, you may add multiple users either as employee, which is a team member, or as an associate, which is a sub-broker, by capturing their basic information. You may actively enable or disable users based on your subscription limits. The login credentials are sent to each user, giving them access to the system as per the 6 predefined roles, allowing a user to view only his or her data along with data of those below in the hierarchy. You can add branches and users in the future as well, and the platform will adapt to give them access seamlessly. Mutual fund product activation lets you pick and choose the AMCs your organization has tied up with. This assists in filtering schemes based on selected AMCs firsts, thus simplifying the process while placing an order. For online execution, You are required to enter your BSE Star MF credentials, which are validated by the BSE API. Integration of your RTA reverse feeds from your login at CAMS, KFintech and Franklin Templeton to a Finso email ID can be done by sharing the precise email address and password or key to decrypt the respective encrypted file. Partners that are yet to empanel their organization with BSE Star MF can choose the offline checkbox to continue using our platform for data upload and access to the dashboard and reports, barring any inline execution. Although we strongly recommend that you get empaneled on BSE Star MF and update your credentials here at the earliest. Finso lets you seamlessly migrate your client list and respective historical data in a one-time activity that gives you one-click access to all the information you need. Our team will assist you to navigate through this section, the files and details required from various RTAs you are associated with, and help you enable auto-forwarding of the incremental feeds on an ongoing basis. Crucial since inception data is uploaded from the front end to ensure the process is duly overseen. The process is simple. Choose your RTA source, example, CAMS. The type of file, example, Folio Master. Choose the specific file, example, .dbf file. Click Upload. We have provided sample download files to better understand the required formats. You can always connect with our service desk for more information. Once the RTA files are uploaded, the next step would be to upload your BSE Star MF files. The Upload Manager allows you a bird's eye view of all uploads till date with information like source, type, upload time, uploaded by, and more. It additionally shows you how many records we processed successfully and how many encountered an error. For files with errors at a record level, you will have an option to download the list of errors and the reason for the rejection. The financial summary of your business can now be consolidated, viewed, and tracked in a single screen. Once the data is uploaded, the true power of Finso is unveiled. Post-uploads, you now would have a functional client CRM geared with comprehensive client information computed, assimilated, and represented on your dashboard with in-depth insights. Here, an admin will have access to complete organizational data, while an employee or associate will have access to data corresponding to his or her level of hierarchy and clients. The dashboard offers you a financial summary of your business with data which can effortlessly be requested for a specific month, quarter, or financial year. In this snapshot, you can decipher client count till date, total AUM till date, revenue booked in the specific period, nature of revenue, trail or upfront, number of ongoing SIPs, monthly SIP book size. While the top row figures on the dashboard remain static, the figures below offer you a snapshot of the incremental business within the specified period. Quick access to the dashboard lets you monitor your business, the trend, and performance of employees or associates on a real-time basis. The dashboard offers you a split of your AUM or revenue across asset classes, products, and concentration towards AMCs, and a further filtered split between trail and upfront revenue. As we introduce additional products beyond mutual funds and LRS, this graphical representation will assist you in understanding the diversification of your assets in terms of your business revenue and boost your upfront revenue stream, which may have taken a hit post-abolishment of mutual fund upfront commissions. A graph representation of the yielding AUM from your annual brokerage files will be displayed. Work in progress to offer you a similar graph of revenue representation and AUM mobilization within a specified period and its driving factors. Placing a mutual fund order cannot get any simpler than this. Under Mutual Funds and Orders in the Product tab, your past orders will be classified on the basis of completed, in progress, and rejected. For a fresh order, you can click on the Place Order tab. Step 1. Choose your client enabled for online execution. Select the UCC. Choose the order type. Input your EUIN number or add a sub-broker code for placing an order on behalf of an associate. For an employee or associate, the sub-broker code and ARN fields auto-populate, form their respective profiles. Step 2. Choose one or multiple AMCs. Select an existing folio or create a new folio. Add a single or even multiple schemes. Fill in the basic SIP related information. Pick the SIP type, normal or mandate. Follow the procedure for the multiple chosen AMCs. Step 3. Review to cross-check the orders placed. You can edit the order in case of errors and resubmit. Once an order is placed, it will reflect under the In Progress stage and subsequently move to the Completed or Rejected stage, as the case may be. Clicking on an order record will display the details and current status of the order placed. Get access to individual client reports that are straightforward, comprehensive, and insightful. Generating a client report has never been easier. You can generate multiple client reports at one go. The option of Family Report allows the designated head of the family to view a consolidated report of investments under all the members of his family. Select one or more clients or families. Check the required modules. Select the products to include. Specify a time period. Add a custom disclaimer as per regulations. Click on Generate Report. Remember, you choose which sections of the report you want to generate. You can view current as well as past reports in the queue once they are processed. Currently, reports are in PDF formats and will be available in Excel formats soon. Finso allows you to generate reports with your brand identity. Reports include summary of AUM performance in a graphical format, invested value, income, and unrealized appreciation since inception and for a specified period. Split of unrealized appreciation into short-term and long-term allocations. Split of AUM by product and AMC. AUM asset class allocation over the specified period. Module performance based on the product, asset class, and scheme level. Holdings reports across schemes based on current holdings, quantity, average cost, current price, invested amount, income, market value, appreciation and absolute performance, custom disclaimer. The family reports specifies the members of the family, the structure and aggregate information at a family level. It further bifurcates each member's asset allocation by product and AMC along with appreciation and performance. Nothing beats accessibility like conducting business on the go. Generate reports, view client portfolios, place orders, and much more via the Finso app. Finso's partner app is fully enabled to do everything that the web version does, empowering you to be digitally engaged and advise your clients on the go. We have now enabled you to do business while on the move through our partner app. The partner app allows you to view a client's information and portfolio dashboard, get snapshots of client-specific investments based on products and asset classes, place an order, generate and download client reports, check file upload lists. Each user login in the subscription will receive access to the app for on-the-go access to business information based on their predefined accessibility. Placing a mutual fund order on the partner app is similar to the web portal flow and equally easy. You may follow the same flow as shown earlier under Placing an Order Partner Web Portal. The partner app allows you to view a portfolio of a client by searching and selecting a specific client. The partner app reflects the same content as seen in the client app, giving you and the client the same view of the portfolio. The initial activity of uploading client data helps you migrate the existing business and historical records, letting you comprehensively and seamlessly engage with your clients via our digital platform. The client section lets you see which products have been enabled for each client and filter and search accordingly. This data allows you to analyze trends and actively diversify products, leading to an increased share of wallet and revenue for you. Keeping your clients updated and informed about their portfolios is as easy as 1, 2, and 3. Literally. The client app enables you to be digitally engaged with your client, especially in the low-touch environment where meeting a client is not as frequent, offering them real-time access to the portfolios and enhancing the investment decision-making process. We will be happy to answer your questions through phone or email and also appreciate any feedback you may have that will benefit your business. Thank you for watching this demo, and we look forward to helping you grow your business.